Hi, Broken guys. Today we're gonna make a video of
she's a good in between, right?
snuggling with my dad. Let's go. Hey, Zada, come here. Her name is Zada, and she's 2 years old. Hey, Zada, say hi to YouTube. That's it for today's video. Bye. Love you, Broken guys.